Hello everyone, I'm Tarini Himaranshi. South Asia is the southern region of Asia, which is defined in both geographical and ethnocultural terms. The region consists of the countries of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, the Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Let's see early childhood care and development in these countries. Abbreviations. Early childhood care and development in Bhutan. Bhutan is a tiny independent Himalayan Buddhist country located between China in the north and India in the east, west, and south. Evolution and new trends in early childhood education in Bhutan. After enjoying a century-long era of unprecedented growth, development and prosperity under the wise and dynamic leadership of the King Wangchuck dynasty. King Ugand's commitment was not only confined to spreading monastic education. Following his visits to Calcutta and Delhi, he began to establish schools. The first were established in Lame, Goimpa and Phongosling with 14 Bhutanese boys from both eastern and western Bhutan. Bhutan became the youngest democracy in the world in 2008 when it embraced parliamentary democracy as a precious gift from its much beloved monarch, fourth king. Bhutan began modern education system in 1950. The first 5-year plan provided for a central education authority in the form of a director of education appointed in 1961. Expanded in 1961 when the implementation of the planned developmental activities began and an organized modern school system with free and universal primary education. Since that time, following 1 year of preschool began at age 4. Children attend school in the primary grades 1 through 5. Education continued with the equivalent of grades 6 through 8 at the age junior high level and grade 9 through 11 at the age high level school. The education system in Bhutan can be differentiated in 4 categories: general education, monastic education, non-formal education, continuing education. Until the ninth 5-year plan, the royal government of Bhutan did not accord much importance to early childhood care and development for children under 6 years because of our strong traditional child rearing practices and extended family system. During the ninth 5-year plan, early childhood care and development became one of the government priorities because of the growing understanding of the importance of conducive and stimulating environment for enhancement of emotional, intellectual and physical development. Early childhood care and development in Bhutan is a recent development, especially provision of early learning and stimulation through center-based program. The Ministry of Education first convinced this idea sometime in 2002. But made concerted effort to expand this form of education after delinking nursery classes from private primary schools in 2004. In November 2006, on executive order of the Honorable Prime Minister of Bhutan, 10-member education sector review commission was formed to examine Bhutan's education sector to serve as a comprehensive sector-wide reform and development measure. In order to execute the activities laid down in the 10th Plan, Ministry of Education felt the need for a policy framework to guide proper implementation of the plan activities. Save the Children started partnering with the Ministry of Education in 2008 in enhancing access to quality early childhood care and development program. Therefore, in 2008, Early Childhood Care and Education Unit began the process of drafting the National Policy on Early Childhood Care and Development. The ministry began establishing community early childhood care and development centers in rural part of the country in 2009. During early childhood years and the disappearing traditional child care support in the urban areas with more working parents and emerging nucleated family. The draft policy was endorsed by the ministry in 2010 and awaits submission to the Cabinet Ministry for approval. The Ministry of Education began developing early learning and development standards for children aged 3 to 5 in December 2009. The standards was validated in 2010. In 2015, Bhutan completed a national evaluation of existing early childhood care and development programs in the country in order to begin an evidence-based way forward with the process. Early childhood care and development inclusion in recent 5-year plans. The coming years are of great importance for early childhood care and development interventions in Bhutan, since Bhutan has committed to 50% early childhood care and development coverage by 2024 and 100% coverage of early childhood care and development by 2030. How early childhood education works in Bhutan. Early childhood care and education is known in Bhutan as early childhood care and development. This concept seems to be there is the education system of Bhutan since 1990s, after Bhutan ratified the Convention on the Rights of the Child in 1990. Early childhood care and development is a holistic approach in Bhutan as it is anywhere in the world. It encompasses services provided to children from 0 to 8 years old.
Early childhood education in Bhutan definition and age ranges early childhood care and development, including private daycare centers. This is considered separate from the pre-primary class. In the 2000 Education for All Decker framework, UNESCO paved the way into the universal primary education, expanding and improving comprehensive early childhood care and education, especially for the most vulnerable and disadvantaged children, and made a step forward into the evolution of the early childhood care and education in Bhutan. Paved the way into the universal primary education, expanding and improving comprehensive early childhood care and education, especially for the most vulnerable and disadvantaged children, and made a step forward into evolution of the early childhood care and education in Bhutan. ECCD, commonly known as Early Childhood Care and Development in Bhutan, was first conceived as started by Mr. Kumar Yesh, Director, Ministry of Education, in his presentation on fulfilling child rights through early childhood care and development in Bhutan. In 2006, there were 8 private early childhood care and development in urban. Therefore, in November 2006, on the executive order of the Honorable Prime Minister of Bhutan, 10-member Education Sector Review Commission was formed to examine Bhutan's education sector to serve as a comprehensive sector-wide reform and development measure. It had 7 strategies recommended to improve the quality of education. One of them was to provide high-quality universal early childhood education. Indeed, 9th Five-Year Plan was the most important period in the development of early childhood care and development in Bhutan. It was during this plan period that the government laid down all the essential frameworks for instituting early childhood care and development services in Bhutan. At present, 210 are early childhood care and development centers, 435 teachers in early learning care and education. This study is an impact evaluation of available early childhood care and development program in Bhutan. Therefore, a baseline assessment of children's learning and development was undertaken at the beginning of the school year, and a follow-up assessment with the same children will occur at the end of the year. Curriculum and teaching methods. In the 10th Five-Year Plan, the government continued the momentum of the early childhood care and development gained during the 9th Five-Year Plan. The government committed that all children aged 0 to 5 would be supported to enhance their intellectual, emotional, and physical development through a program that enables them to grow in their familiar and natural environment. In the recent years, Bhutan has taken huge steps to provide education to all Bhutanese children. Priority will be given to home and family-based approaches, with additional input from institutional structures and options which recognize an increasing diversity of lifestyles and settings in which children are now being raised. Rapid delivery of lessons on television and radio through online learning, as well as via the mass distribution of self-instructional materials or SIM, have helped many children to continue learning despite schooling being closed. Early Childhood Development National Policies. The Report of Education Without Compromise 2008 was commenced. It had 7 strategies recommended to improve the quality of education. One of them was to provide high-quality universal early childhood education. It suggested developing a national policy on early childhood education, care and education and its curriculum. To enhance the children's education, and in 2008, the draft National Early Childhood Care and Development Policy was framed after the 10th Five-Year Plan and endorsed in 2010. With draft policy in place, the ministry began establishing community early childhood care and development centers in rural parts of the country in 2009. In all these centers, daycare center curriculum guide was used as curriculum. However, the curriculum guide does not describe specifically what children at the end of preschool need to know and be able to do for school success. The National Policy on Early Childhood Care and Development Draft 2011 was then in place by the Royal Government of Bhutan under Ministry of Education. It gave the complete directions and the strategies to strengthen the status and holistic development of children between the ages from birth to 8 years under the Early Childhood Care and Development Program. Public contribution and private sector contribution. A profile of the main providers of early childhood care and development services as envisaged in the draft National Early Childhood Care and Development Policy. The Ministry of Education provides early childhood care and development services to the children aged 0 to 8 through the early childhood care and development programs and services available in Bhutan can be categorized into 3. They are home-based parenting education, center-based early learning opportunities, and intervention in school to improve teaching. Early childhood care and development program provided to children in this category is preliminary early learning and stimulation through early childhood care and development centers. The official age for school admission in Bhutan is 6 years. The children in this age group are in the formal school. The providers are public and private primary schools. How to substitute for Sri Lanka? Early learning and development standards. Bhutan's early learning development standards contain a set of statements that reflect expectations of children's knowledge and behavior designed to support the growth and development of children from 3 to 5 years in different early childhood care and development settings. Early learning development standards describes what children at the end of their preschool experience need to know and be able to do for school success. It is holistic and encompasses all domains of child development: physical, cognitive, language, social, emotional, spiritual, and moral. The standards reflect national values on children's learning and globally aspects norms. All the domains follow the pattern of subdomain, standard, indicator, and suggested preparatory learning activities. In order to be able to direct the related program input to child learning and development, quality information will also be collected during the school year through the quality monitoring tool for early childhood care and development centers. With additional items from the Early Childhood Environmental Rating Scale as well as an Early Childhood Care and Development Parenting Educational Monitoring Tool.
References. Thank you.